Now, before we dive into the actual course, I wanted to share the biggest warning that I have for you guys and for this program. And it's really important that you watch this and that you do not skip this. Now, TikTok is still very, very new, and many things are constantly being updated. So, with that in mind, it's going to work better for some niches, and also it's going to work better for some areas due to the limited amount of targeting options. That being said, the key is for you to get in now and start running ads now with what we're going to show you so that you're ready to go. And as the platform evolves and as it improves, you're going to have the first mover's advantage. And even if the platform isn't perfect just yet, you're going to be the first in line for when it is. And with this program, the absolute best thing about this program is that you're investing in getting all of the updates and optimizations before anyone else, since we're putting our own money to test everything. So if a new feature comes out or if there's a new update, instead of you having to spend your own money trying to figure it out, we're going to invest our own money to figure it out for you. And that's really what you're signing up for, to be on the cutting edge of all of the new updates. So as the platform improves and as your ability to get results on the platform improves, you're going to be first in line with all of those updates. So it's not perfect. There's still some limitations with the platform. There's still going to be some hiccups. Some niches are going to work better than others. Some areas are going to work better than others. But overall, we're going to give you the foundation to get started, to get moving. And as things improve, you're investing into us for us to figure things out as they get rolled out, so you'll be first in line. The second thing to keep in mind is that TikTok right now as a platform is holding more attention than YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. And if you don't adapt to TikTok, you're going to be left behind. Now, Facebook is more advanced when it comes to the targeting and more sophisticated overall as an advertising platform. Same with Google and YouTube. If you've been used to running ads on those platforms, running ads on TikTok is going to be a little bit different, a little bit more limited. But again, once TikTok catches up, it's game over. The key is to be ready to go for when things improve on the platform. And like I said, it's still working very well already, so it's only going to get better. That's just a quick little warning for you guys. The platform is not perfect by any means. It's still brand new. It's still growing. And it's still in its very early stages. So that's just something to keep in mind as you dive in. Let's keep going.